Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to delete your Twitch account using your web browser. First, go to deleteo.app. There you can find the guide for Twitch and follow the step-by-step instructions with me. Let's begin. First, make sure you are signed into the Twitch account that you want to delete. Next, go directly to Twitch's account deletion page by visiting twitch.tv/user/delete-account. On this page, carefully check to make sure you are deleting the correct account. Twitch will ask you to enter a reason for deletion. You can provide one if you'd like. Once you're ready, click the Delete Account button. For security, Twitch may ask you to re-enter your password or enter a verification code sent to your email to confirm it's really you. Important: deleting your Twitch account schedules it for permanent removal. According to their policy, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.